guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. So if you're like me, you're interested in industrial automation and controls. Maybe you work in the industry, or maybe you're just about to enter the industry and just getting out of school. So as a kid, I was always interested in robotics and automation. And as I went to school, I found that industrial controls was the direction I wanted to take my career. But I found that a lot of the stuff that I learned in school only gave me a basic understanding of how to create programs for industry. And I found that a lot of the more advanced functions we never touched on. And I ended up having to figure that out on my own. So the purpose of this channel is to teach you the lesser known understandings of controls. How to take the basic fundamentals of what you learned in school and build on that. Create more advanced projects and to cement your understanding way more than what you would have gotten in school. In a way, kind of more of a hands-on approach to it. There's a lot of channels that'll teach the basic fundamentals of PLC programming and the concepts associated with it, and the same thing that you would have learned in school. But that's not what I want to do. I want to actually show you how to write programs to manage an actual machine. Now, of course, this is a very simple example, but this is where we're going to start first, and I hope that you'll join me. So if this is the kind of content that you want to learn more about, and if this is something that interests you, I highly encourage you to hit the subscribe button. And if there's anything specific that you want to learn more about, feel free to leave it in the comments. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Anyway, that's all for now. Take care, guys.